In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for blogging step by step. Whether you're a seasoned blogger looking to up your content game or a beginner hoping to harness the power of AI, this guide is designed to make the process as straightforward as possible. We'll dive into the tools and strategies you need to get the most out of Claude AI, focusing specifically on generating engaging blog post ideas for beginners interested in Google Sheets. To kick things off, let's explore how Claude AI can help you brainstorm. If you're looking for blog post inspiration, especially in addressing practical problems that people often encounter with Google Sheets, you're in the right place. You see, Google Sheets, while incredibly versatile, can sometimes pose challenges for users at every level. That's where we can help by creating content that provides solutions and insights. First, let's think about some blog post ideas. You might consider ideas like Mastering the Basics, a beginner's guide to Google Sheets. This post would target new users who want a comprehensive starting point and would aim to provide introductory knowledge. Further, it might include simple tasks and initial data entry techniques. Another idea could be how to create a smart budgeting template in Google Sheets. The target here would be personal finance enthusiasts looking to streamline their budget planning. This piece would dive into templates, offering tips on setup and maintenance. A frequently asked question is how to collaborate efficiently on Google Sheets. A blog post titled Real-Time Collaboration, Tips for Working in Google Sheets, could appeal to teams or small businesses eager to improve their workflow. Esteem the reader's interest in optimizing collaboration by showing how to take advantage of Google Sheets' sharing features. Moreover, address the frequent need for data analysis with a catchy title like Data Analysis Made Easy, Leveraging Google Sheets for Insightful Reporting. This post would cater to individuals seeking to elevate their data skills. Discuss simple data analysis techniques and how to use built-in functions for powerful insights. Don't forget about automation. Automation can transform complex manual tasks into efficient processes. A blog post named Save Time with Automation, using Google Sheets to streamline tasks, can appeal to workflow experts or busy professionals. Show your readers how to use Google Sheets functions and scripts to eliminate repetitive work. As you develop your content, always try to put yourself in the shoes of your target audience. What would they search for? How would they phrase their queries? Understanding search intent is crucial. For instance, when someone searches secrets to Excel from Google Sheets, they possibly want to learn about transitioning smoothly and efficiently. Craft your content to meet those expectations and provide value. To wrap up, remember that Claude AI is a powerful tool that can assist you in generating ideas and structuring your blog content. It can help you think creatively, covering needs your readers might not yet realize they have. So, dive into Claude AI with confidence, armed with today's insights, and watch your blogging journey transform. Thanks for joining me, and happy blogging.